Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a look at the Rosewill Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, designed to deep clean your mattress, sofas, and even pet hair with impressive UVC light technology and powerful suction. This model boasts a robust 350-watt motor, 13 kPa suction, and a multi-stage filtration system that promises to tackle allergens, dust mites, and pet hair from your household surfaces. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Rosewill Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is a compact, corded model that brings high-tech cleaning to your home. Equipped with a 350-watt motor and 13 kPa suction power, it promises to remove 99.9% of allergens and debris from your mattress, sofas, beds, pillows, and carpets. The vacuum is built with a unique 253.7mm UVC light and ultrasonic wave dual technology, which targets allergens like dust mites and pet hair. For added efficiency, the vacuum utilizes a 6-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter that captures particles as small as 0.3 microns. This means it's not just cleaning the surface, but actively helping to improve air quality by releasing fresh air post-cleaning. One of the standout features here is the ergonomic design. The vacuum weighs just 3.7 pounds, making it light enough to hold with ease for extended periods. It also comes with an ergonomic handle, which enhances comfort, reducing hand strain during use. The vacuum is designed with a 0.5-liter dual dust cup, so it can handle a good amount of debris before needing to be emptied. Plus, the dust cup is designed to be easy to clean with washable filters inside. The UVC light will also automatically turn off if the vacuum is lifted or not positioned flat, making it a safer option for household use. Now let's get into the real-world usage of this vacuum. First off, assembly and setup were effortless. It's simple to plug in, turn it on with a single button, and start cleaning. When it comes to cleaning performance, the suction is strong enough to handle a variety of surfaces. It easily picks up crumbs and fine dust from hard floors and works well on low-pile carpets too. The real test, however, is how it deals with embedded pet hair and dirt on upholstery, which it handled surprisingly well. Thanks to its efficient suction and UVC technology, it lifted pet hair with ease and even helped to eliminate dust mites from my mattress. The hot air drying function, which heats up to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, was a pleasant touch. It helped dry the upholstery as it cleaned, leaving everything fresher. Cleaning stairs, sofas, and car interiors is a breeze with the additional attachments, which are simple to attach and remove. The nozzle fits easily into tight corners and narrow spaces, making it perfect for upholstery and getting around furniture. One area where it struggled, though, was dealing with long hair. The brush roll did tend to get tangled from time to time, requiring a bit of manual clearing. In terms of noise levels, it's relatively quiet for a vacuum of this power. It certainly won't be a disturbance, but it's not completely silent either. However, given the suction power and the added UVC functionality, I wouldn't expect total silence from it. The 13-feet cord gives you a reasonable reach, but if you're working in a larger room, you may need to plug and unplug as you move around. The vacuum is well built, with a solid construction that doesn't feel flimsy. The materials are sturdy, and the overall design is compact and easy to store. Cleaning it is a breeze too. The filters and dust cups are both washable and reusable, so you're not stuck buying replacement bags or filters constantly. Maintenance isn't overly complicated, and the parts seem to be designed with longevity in mind. The only downside here is that you'll want to make sure to clear the brush roll from time to time, especially if you're vacuuming up a lot of pet hair. When considering the price, the Rosewill Mattress Vacuum Cleaner offers excellent value, especially when you take into account the UVC light technology, 6-stage filtration system, and strong suction performance. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the added features for tackling allergens, pet hair, and the design focus on ease of use definitely justify the cost. Comparing it with some other handheld vacuum cleaners in the same price range, this model stands out for its UVC technology. Other vacuums, like the Dyson V7 Motorhead or the Black & Decker Dustbuster, are known for solid suction and versatility, but they don't have the same allergen targeting capabilities. If you're someone who struggles with dust mites or has allergies, the Rosewill's specialized filtration and UVC light might be the deciding factor for you. However, if you don't need that level of precision and focus on allergens, there are certainly more affordable options that perform well for everyday cleaning tasks. So, who is the Rosewill Mattress Vacuum Cleaner really suited for? It's perfect for anyone with allergies or pet owners who need a vacuum that goes beyond just surface cleaning. The UVC light technology makes it a fantastic choice for deep cleaning mattresses, sofas, and even pet bedding. If you live in a smaller space, don't want to lug around a heavier vacuum, and are looking for something easy to maintain, this vacuum ticks those boxes. However, if you have a large house or need a vacuum that can handle thicker carpets or more intense cleaning sessions, you may want to look at something with higher suction power and longer runtime. If you're interested, the link to get this vacuum can be found in the comments box. I'd love to hear about your experiences with it, especially if you already own one or are considering buying it. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Until next time, keep your space clean and clutter-free. Goodbye!